Are you still framing homes with lumber? It's time to embrace the 21st century with the InnovaPanel. Imagine building faster and easier with structural insulated panels, or SIPs. These panels are prefabricated off-site, slashing construction time and labor costs. You could be moving into your new home sooner and saving money at the same time, but it's not just about speed. The InnovaPanel qualifies for green building certifications, unlocking tax credits and rebates that can lighten your financial load. Energy-efficient homes are not just good for the planet, they're also a smart investment. Buyers are drawn to high-performance homes, which can boost resale value and reduce time on the market. With many states now requiring energy use disclosures, traditional homes may struggle to compete. Why settle for less when you can build smarter, faster, and more sustainably? The future of construction is here. Let's build it right.